This video is for educational purpose. Please don't gain access to anyone's social media information without their permission. With that out of the way, today I'm here to teach you one of the methods on how you can actually gain access to anyone's social media. By anyone, I mean your friend circle or the people you know. Before I teach you how you can do it, you'll need to know these things. 1. Basics of programming or JavaScript. And that's it. Now search for TemporMonkey and download TemporMonkey extension in your browser. It's available in all browsers, I guess. This helps you to write your own script to customize your browsing experience. After you are done installing this extension, create a new user script by clicking plus button at the top right. It will make a new user script which you can rename by changing text in line number 2. Also change line number 7, add match to the social media which you want this script to run for. I'm gonna do this for Facebook. Also write run at document end, which will make sure this script runs when HTML and CSS are loaded. For programmers, this weird looking function is called IIFE or immediately invoke function expression. It executes immediately after it's created. We're gonna remove use strict. Now we're gonna search for login button. Here I'm using query selector to select the only button that is available in the login page. We're also gonna ignore our account cause we don't want it to take our password too. After creating these variables, we're gonna use try catch to handle any errors. Inside try, we will write an if statement. If login button has attribute name and it's equal to login, then it will run this code. Inside this if statement, we're gonna listen for when the login button is clicked. For enter event, you can run this code when the form is submitted. Inside this, we're gonna create two variables for email and password. Now we're again gonna write try catch to handle any errors. Inside try, we'll set the email and password. Now we're gonna ignore the user with if statement. If you wanna ignore multiple users, you can use array and a loop. Now we have their email and password. If you want, then you can use some database and store users email and password. But for now, we're gonna store it in local storage and add gg : to identify our stored data if the local storage is empty. Now at the top, we're gonna create a UUID function and use crypto to generate random strings for everyone. You can look at local storage by right clicking and left clicking the inspect element, or you can use F12 key, or you can also use Ctrl plus Shift plus I. There you will see you have a lot of keys and values, or it will be empty. Let's test this by going to Facebook login page. We will enter some random string and password to confirm it works. And here you can see it gets the email and password. You can also customize the code. I wrote this code 3 years ago and it still works. To prevent your password from getting stolen, don't use other devices and only use trusted devices, or just don't use social media. Again, don't misuse it. Whatever I teach you is for educational purpose. Use this code in your personal computer only and not